What's the first thing you do with a coding agent? Well, if it's an existing project, the first thing you should do with that coding agent is ask it to explain the project for you. If it doesn't have any documentation, ask it to create that documentation. You'll get some beautiful diagrams, understand architecture decisions, the components. You'll learn a lot about the project. If it's a new project, start with a plan. Have it create a plan for what you want to do in that project. You'll be really impressed, I think, with what it can do with that project. But today, let's talk about the second thing you should do with your projects in a coding agent. Now, first, the thing you need to realize is that, well, models, they're eager to please you, right? And sometimes they might claim that they've done things that they haven't done. That's because they're so eager to say, hey, success. So how do we prevent that? Well, the second thing you need to be doing with your coding agents is writing tests. So that means if you have an existing project, let's get the full test suite out there, make sure that all the tests run, etc. If it's a new project, write all the tests now before you write any code. And make sure all those tests fail, because they should fail because you don't have any code yet. If this sounds familiar, that's because it is. It's something called test-driven development, and the idea has been out there for a long time, but it's more important now than ever because of the tendency for AI models to maybe over-exaggerate their accomplishments. So, second thing you should do is test your code, write those tests, and then as you develop that code, you can make sure that those tests are passing. Now, of course, if you use the coding agent to help you write the test, make sure that it did write the test and just didn't claim that it succeeded that way. How are you using your coding agents? What's the first and second thing you do with them? Let me know in the comments below.